Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and isn't it such a great score when you find something that works so well and makes your life a little bit simpler, but it also looks really gorgeous? Well, I think I have definitely found just such an item in this Easyworkz electric gooseneck kettle. I am completely in love with the matte black finish and the rose gold accents. I think it looks totally chic. The rounded shape of the kettle and the design of the handle is also really adorable. I'm glad that this kettle doesn't have any buttons, but it is completely operated by means of smooth touch controls. Besides looking really cool and sleek, this makes it super easy to clean too. What makes this kettle really unique is the fact that you can set the exact temperature depending on the beverage that you're having. I found that this kettle reaches the desired temperature really fast. I most frequently use this kettle for pour over coffee, but for the times when I'm having, say, maybe a green tea, I can easily set the temperature for lower. I find the handle feels really natural and easy to hold. It is really lightweight and petite, so this makes it excellent for holding in position for however long you need to while you're pouring. The slender gooseneck spout makes for precise control for the amount and the speed of pouring. I have found it essential for making my pour over coffee just right every time. This gooseneck kettle has made a wonderful addition to my coffee bar, not only in functionality, but in looks as well. And that's my point of view.